my boy. You hear that truck over there? You hear that truck? How mean it sound? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, watch this. You see that right, Mees? What you think? You think it's ready?
It's ready. That bitch pressure.
That bitch got some pressure. Okay. We got Limpy back in the building, y'all. Look out, Limpy. I had to switch up to some 1080p real quick. Got that old wash machine cam when you done put too many heavy clothes on one side. You probably tried to put your shoes in there too or something. And it ain't even in the washroom. Yeah. What you think about that? Uh-oh, excuse me. Have it running? Yeah, that thing ain't running. They say, what you think about Yello Belly so far, man?
Oh, man. It's in the making.
It's in the making? Yeah, what the environment like? You chilling, everything, you feel good out here?
I'm feeling the vibe. You know?
Yeah.
You know, first time. You know?
Yeah.
Back to the vibe.
Back to the vibe, okay.
Networking.
Yeah, networking a little bit. Oh shit. Look. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to dude, I'm gonna have to get him an Uber, right? Yeah, I'm gonna send it to him.
Look, come in the inside.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, bet.
We gotta do some more videos, bro.
Bet. I'm gonna be ready. Dang.
I'm talking about
Every day.
I'm talking about like this one. Like all the videos we do.
Yeah.
No, just partner.
Yeah.
Like we ain't gotta do nothing.
Okay.
That right there.
Yeah.
We just gotta put a lot of that shit out.
No sound.
Damn, look at her.
Where?
Where you at, Art?
No sound. Why is muted?
Come in the inside of the gate. They not gonna listen. Just come in the inside of the gate.
Let me see. It might have been connected to the Bluetooth or something. I'm finna. Let me see something. Still can't hear nothing. I don't know why.
with it?
They still can't hear nothing. Oh, sound good. Dang. I don't know what the sound ain't working on. one, y'all. Man, that was a good race. You seen how they all excited? Yeah, that truck ended up winning, y'all. Little upset. Where Funkertown at? Funkertown, you bet on that? You bet on that one? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
I'll be back right now.
I'm trying to see where Pedro tonight supposed to be. Pedro and what's his name? Big time racing, y'all. They got a big time race supposed to happen. I'm trying to see it. Dang. It look like I probably should have left that 720 rolling. This way right here, it's hard to get them in.